Subject and verb agreement. Part 2. Special cases. 1. A pair of can be a singular or a plural form. Examples: a pair of scissors was on the table. 5 pairs of sunglasses were on display. 2. The following pronouns are treated as a singular subject, but we use plural possessive pronouns to refer to them. Someone, somebody, anyone, anybody, everyone, everybody, no one, nobody, none. Examples: everyone is doing their homework. Somebody was knocking on the door. 3. The following pronouns are treated as a singular subject, and we use singular pronouns to refer to them. Something, anything, everything, nothing. Example: something has gone wrong with my laptop. It must be the battery. 4. Nouns have a singular or a plural form according to the meaning. A coffee, coffees. An experience, experiences. A glass, glasses. A hair, hairs. A light, lights. A paper, papers. Examples: how much coffee did you drink yesterday? How many coffees did you drink yesterday? 5. School. School can be a countable or an uncountable noun, depending on the meaning. Examples: my sister starts school next September. School is an uncountable noun because we mean school in general. The government is building a school near my house. School is a countable noun because we mean a specific school. 6. The following words have a plural or uncountable noun after them. Some, any, enough. A lot of, lots of, plenty of, more, most, no, none of. Examples: a lot of apples, a lot of milk, some friends, some cheese. 7. Many, a few, several, have a plural noun after them. Examples: many problems, a few pens, several meetings. 8. Much, a little, little, less, a great deal of, the least, a bit of, a piece of, have an uncountable noun after them. Examples: much bread, little money, less water. 9. Some comes in the following forms. A. Affirmative. Example: I will have some cheese and some eggs for breakfast. B. Offering. Example: would you like some sandwiches and some juice? C. Request. Example: can you give me some paper and some pens? 10. Any comes in the following forms. A. Negative. Example: he refused to have any sandwiches or any juice. B. Interrogative. Example: is there any cheese in the fridge? Are there any tomatoes in the fridge?